What is up, guys? We're here with my super awesome 2015 Silverado 2500 HD, the coolest glass truck on the planet. However, it suffers from some small issues, and we're about to take care of those right now. Just trying to clean up some stuff, get it dialed in a little better. Pulled off my intake here, and it was pretty dirty around the throttle body, so I cleaned that out, opened up the flap, sprayed it all out, cleaned off my airflow meter, and it was missing 3 out of the 4 screws that hold the intake cover on. So there's one original, and then I found these other Allen type, and yeah, so it was pretty much just sucking dirty air right past the filter. Nice move by some sort of mechanic. And then I came over here and was dealing with something with all my they're not really on anymore, but the ABS and the traction light were on, and this said service StabiliTrak. Looked all over online, seemed like people were finding, I don't know, 20 different causes for that. So I was working on some other stuff and really wanted to get this figured out, get rid of all these lights in the dash, and open up my cover here. And actually, easy for me, so you can see there's a fuse missing here. The ABS pump fuse was gone, and what I had found was the rear ABS sensor, one of them was damaged, and I replaced it, and the light was still on in the dash. I'm like, what the heck? And we had checked with the scanner, and the pump said it wasn't turning on. Well, now I know why. So I swapped these fuses, and waiting for my buddy to bring me another fuse to pop in there, but got all those lights off now, which is freaking awesome. And then what I'm dealing with is I had an evap issue, where as if you come in here and go to fill up the gas tank, you can see you got a few different vent openings here, and it just shuts off every time you try and fill it up with gas. Super annoying. I mean, I have to hold it on the slowest little trigger setting just for it to try and fill up. It takes like, I don't know, at least 10 minutes just to put 15 bucks worth of gas in it. Ridiculous with today's gas prices. So, came under here and checked out this valve here. Everything seems okay. But we got our charcoal canister mounts right in here. We got 1, 2, 3 bolts. This is a 2015. The 2013 and older just has 1 bolt that kind of holds it onto a bracket here. Slides right out, super easy. After you remove the 3 little vent tubes that go to it. 1 from the gas tank, 1 to the filler neck, and 1 to the intake, I believe, on the vehicle. And this one, I'll show you in a second, but since it has these 3 studs here, as you can see, this one I bent it out a little bit because the stud's too long. It won't pass through here unless you remove the gas tank, which, I mean, come on. Obviously, nobody's going to do that if they just want to clean this canister out. So I bent this outer edge just a little bit, just so you could slide the stud out past. And then this inner one, same thing, it's too long. So I had to use a hacksaw. Don't use a grinder, because obviously you're right next to the gas tank. You don't want any sparks or fire definitely happening here, but I was able to hacksaw. It took me about, you can see a couple hacksaw marks there. Took me maybe 15 minutes, but got through it and popped the thing right out. And I found that on a lot of trucks, you know, 50,000 miles or more, you're going to have this issue. Mine has some black residue in it, but when I first went to clean it out, a bunch of mud came out of the thing. So you'll get all kinds of dirt in here. So here's your evap canister, charcoal canister. And so this is your upper stud. This is the lower one that you can see I cut off, and the front stud there. And yeah, so I've been cleaning it out, and if you look here, you can see that nice clean water. And put this on, filled up, and we get some black water pouring out of there. Pretty nasty. So, you know, it's doing its job. And I had a evap code 446, I believe it is, which is blocked passage, is what it was showing. So hopefully this should take care of it. Can also go this way, and just need to try and block this deal here. Let's see. Okay. Block this. The lower passage coming out. And yeah, basically just keep doing that, and then once I'm satisfied that I got clean water coming out either direction, then I'll blow it out with air and reinstall it. And Lord willing, I will not have any more codes for this, and I can fill up my truck like a normal American human being. Thanks for watching. Hope this did you some good, and if so, please hit that like button and share and subscribe.